Hello everybody, thanks for joining us today. My name is Daniel Isaac. I'm a technical consultant here at SolidCAD, and I work primarily within the Meridian suite, and I want to give you a quick overview of how to create comments and redlines over renditions, which are PDF versions of native files within the Meridian system. So let's go ahead and switch over to the application and see what that looks like. For today's Meridian tips and tricks demo, we're going to actually go into the Meridian Explorer interface. This is the read-only interface for the Meridian suite. This is where a persona would be used to kind of just view files, to see what they actually look like, to see renditions of the files. Renditions, of course, are PDFs of an AutoCAD drawing, for example, all the different technical drawings available to people. So what we're going to do is go ahead and select this particular rendition of this drawing file. It's nice having renditions because you don't need the native tool installed in order to be able to access a visual interpretation of that particular DWG file. So we're going to go ahead and change this over to the viewer. It's going to give you a nice blown up view of that PDF rendition, and it's here we have the ability to actually add comments. There's several ways of doing this. You can actually have redlining tools to draw over this PDF rendition, or you can actually have text comments on the side here. So let's go ahead and expand the redlining tools by going into edit mode. That opens up a host of different options that are available to you to create different markings and shapes within this, as well as adding freeform text. Let's go to the shape tool. We're going to actually add a nice box here. We're going to go ahead and create it over here just to call attention to my particular comment, and we're going to head over to the text tool, add some text tool, and we're going to add some text here to kind of identify the change we want to make to this drawing. Once you're done there, you can actually add further shapes to kind of draw attention to exactly what you want to be removed. So I'm referring to this resistor, for example, and then that completes the redlining portion. And then what you can actually do is tie this red line into a text comment as well. And that will let the people using this particular drawing know who entered this comment, and you can compare it against different revisions of comments. So let's go ahead and submit that. And then we're going to save our changes as well. So this is now saved within the system. So this gives you the ability to actually compare with different comments at different times. So if you go to an older comment, for example, here, you'll see that there is a comment entered here as well as different red lines. And you can see when that was done. That's about 34 days ago. And if you go to our latest one here, you can see that this layer of comments is captured separately. And that brings us to the end of today's demonstration of how to actually enter comments and red lines within Meridian Explorer. Thanks much.